Hey guys, I'm with Richie. There's some friends with us today. Raymond can't come, he's going to church I think. But we are going to a dam to go fishing and hopefully swimming. So we're gonna head up to the bike and ride there now. So we're excited to finally get out of there. Hey, there's the gang over there. All right, so we're excited to get out of the house and do some exploring. Hey! All right, so here's our motorcycle gang. We got a bunch of us going. Woo! We're out of the house! All right, we're gonna take the back way there. Go through there.
I can walk.
Oh man.
Go, Dustin.
Hey Richie, how does it feel being the only girl? All right, we got the bike started, on the road again. So we made it. Look at that view. Dustin. Hey Francis. We're gonna catch some fish today? Yeah. All right.
Hey Dustin.
Huh. Nice. Where'd you get those? Over there?
Yeah.
Nice. Catch anything? That guy needs a tan just like I do.
It's a pig.
Yeah.
It's your son?
Yeah, it's my son. I think he needs some sun. I think he's darker than I am.
Whoa, easy, easy. Speak English, speak English.
He knows me. He's my son.
Go.
Race, go, go, go.
Hey Dustin, your favorite animal?
Hey, it's my pet goat.
Wow, very nice. Oh,
Nice.
got one fish.
Didn't choose.
Oh, leeches.
Oh, nabasa din nila student. Oh, nila student.
Yeah. Nice. Nice job.
Maambak ko na siya, maambak mo na. Sud na siya. Sud na.
Hello, ma'am.
Hey, you got a new phone.
I'm here.
Mom, I made
Out of
it.
nowhere. You just need battery.
Yeah, I just
and
need a
then
new battery. That's
You
good.
can use this one.
Nice phone.
Oh, nice wallpaper.
It's very 3D. It looks so real.
Yeah.
3D.
Wow.
Sesud na eh. Update kayo na eh.
Yeah, flying fish.
Right.
So they're fishing with the electric over there with the battery, and they're fishing with the spear over here, like Raymond and I did last time. We just caught one over there. Richie found a bicycle. So we're gonna cook all the fish that we just caught, and Richie and I are gonna go get charcoal to cook the fish. All right, so we're gonna get 3 of these, and these are 10 pesos each for each one of these bags of charcoal. Hey! Man, this is some tall corn! I miss this feeling of going someplace new and enjoying the nature. This is such a cool spot. Wow. I used to be able to do that. Be careful, bro. Oh, they're doing some fishing over here.
What did you call that one?
I don't know what type of fish this is. What do you call it here?
Tilapia.
Tilapia? He's using his t-shirt. They got a little trap door on the side. That's awesome. They got a ton of fish. This whole bag is full of fish. Then all of this is cleaned, and we're about to cook this up. And then they're still out there fishing, so they're still gonna get a lot more.
Okay, put doon na to. Eh.
Oh.
Yung kaya na? Halwan? Kaya na halwan? Pagpunatiyan na na. Nawa. Nausag pa ito na. Paing din. Upo sa aking grisa.
Cooked already. Mixing some onions, some soy sauce and vinegar.
Vinegar.
It's time to eat.
We have some.
All right.
Ayun, ano?
Share mo dali.
Hoy!
What happened to
Basta magmahal mo sila mi ah!
Oy!
Kauna na eh! Dustin! Ano mo, di ba magaan? Kabit! Dustin! Ayan! Saan mo? Oh. Agar! Ikaw din na, Brad? Hey! Muna po. Michael, sorry. Tubig, mamilan lang ito natin kanon. Ay, kapit ko na kayo. Huwag tayo tubig mainom.